Happy birthday, Mama Chari!
So, ayun. Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. So, I hope ma-enjoy mo na yung next chapter ng buhay mo, which is your retirement life. Ayun, enjoy and we're here to support and also thank you lahat sa naging support. Love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita Chari. So, we wish you all the best things in life. I hope you stay as lively and free. And I hope na ma-enjoy mo yung retirement life mo. And most importantly, I hope you will be blessed for the rest of your life. So thank you for everything mo. We love you.
Hello, Ma'am Chari. Happy 60th birthday. Goodbye tension. Hello pension po.
Hello po, Ma'am Cha. Good day po. Happy birthday and salamat po dahil naging part kayo ng journey ko sa pagbabago. Yun lang po. Thank you po.
Happy birthday, Ate Chari. Wishing you all the best, happiness, and enjoy your retirement. Mas marami ka ng time to bond with us, Ate. So enjoy the rest of your retirement. Palagi kang pumasyal sa Manila and we'll bond talaga. I love you, Ate.
Okay! Ready na ba kayo?
Happy birthday, Ate Chari. I love you so much. Enjoy your party and most especially your retirement. I super enjoyed our vacation in the US. Balik tayo ulit. Sasama kita ulit. I love you.
As you celebrate a very important milestone in your life, may our Lord bless you and keep you all the days of your life. Wishing you good health and of course happiness and enjoy your retirement. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Chari.
Up the mountain range and through the snow.
They're not only friends, relatives, family. You are all family to me. Alam nyo yan. So, salamat sa pag-spend nyo ng araw na to be with me, with my family. Salamat. Thank you!
Yeah.